My name is Ismael Perez, and I will be explaining the premise of our cosmic origin. What inspired me to write our cosmic origin is the fact that I've always believed that mankind did not evolve from animals, that in fact mankind devolved from celestial beings that have already existed prior into coming into these bodies of flesh and bones. In the premise of our cosmic origin, I propose the idea that our origin was galactic, but furthermore celestial, that we first originated as pure spirit, and through a process of involution, which is the descent of spirit into matter, we fell into lower densities. And each density gave us a different avatar. So, for example, our very first avatar was a light body, and we still have that. So in terms of us still existing in the spirit world, we're still there. We're just not tuned into that anymore, right? There is a veil that separates our consciousness in this physical world from the spirit realm. So our light body was our original body. And after our light body, as we descended into the second phase of our existence, known as the etheric spheres, we developed multiple etheric energy vehicles that are still subtle compared to our physical body of flesh and bones. So in other words, we have different energetic vehicles that we use in these higher realms, and we still have those. They're still there, by the way. In fact, it is believed that as we undergo ascension, we're also going to be integrating these subtle energy vehicles and our light body, which is the electromagnetic version of ourselves, the epikinetic version of ourselves, the Akka version of ourselves, the Gematrian version of ourselves, and the Overself version of ourselves. And those are the 5 vehicles that make up our light body. So as we descended into the lowest of frequencies, we developed a physical body. So this is the last phase that we're experiencing. It is my, duty and purpose to remind everybody out there that we are celestial beings, immortals. The fact that we come from the spirit realm makes us immortals, currently experiencing a mortal experience. But this mortality, my friends, was temporary. Very soon our mortality is going to cease to exist, and as we integrate our higher subtle vehicles and our light body, we are going to spiritualize matter in order to become physical immortals. And that is the reason why I wrote our cosmic origin, to remind everyone of their celestial beginnings, and that we all come from God, and that we are all eternal, because God itself is eternal, and that we are beings of light, because matter is a step-down frequency of ether, and ether is the step-down frequency of the light. So the light is the foundation of all of existence, and we come from that. My name is Ismael Perez. I hope you guys have a beautiful day.